Our direct elimination is now ready, and our next step will be again referee's draw. So we go into referee's draw, and as you can see you have table by table. So in our table of 128 we only have 4 matches. Again, as this is a German competition, we go on with referee draw by club, and here you can see you can have referees by quarter or you can do a complete draw. For a national competition we prefer to have a complete draw, so I will show you this in the first part. You just click on referee 1, and as you can see now you have a referee assigned for each match. You have again a referee timesheet where each referee can see the planning of his matches, as you can see from 13:30 to 13:45 on pist 5 as referee. And you can print score sheets, you can print all, or you can print them time according to the timeline. So now we have only 4 matches, which is easy. So I have my 4 matches. I have again left-handed fencers on left side. Here we have 2 right-handers. You have 15 points, 3 times 3 minutes. If you have a competition for smaller ones, you only have maybe 10 hits or 8. And as you can see, we have already a coach warning here. So all referees know that he has already got a yellow card. So once this is done, we have given this score sheet. I will now fill in 4 results to show you how to do it for a table of 64. So we go on now results per match. I just click here and I enter a result. I can enter 13-4, I can enter 15. Again, if you have win by priority, please enter a P. You can add abandon, let's say here abandoned, and we say here. So this is a winner. And we enter result. Also again, you can enter medical breaks here, or you can add more coach warnings. And all matches which I have entered results are disappeared. They are not on the bottom. You have a special scene for corrections. So if I go back to dashboard, if you want to correct a result, please select result corrections, where you have the results and you also have the by matches. So now we are going to do referee's draw of table 64. As you can see, I have 32 of 32 matches ready, none is printed. So I go here and I have now all matches here. I have time and pist, and as you can see already for the prints, you can print them according to the timeline. So I would say referee draw. Now we got a remark which is saying that we cannot draw referees without changing of pist. The system is made like a referee staying on same pist. Mostly we try to find a solution for this, but it's still a draw, so sometimes this is not working. In this case, as you can see, the referee timesheet. And here you may see that referees, for example, first one has a match on pist 5 at 2 o'clock and a match on pist 3 at 2:30, so he has a break in between. The referee for pist number 10 has 4 matches always on the same pist. But for example, my Kozak here has 1 match on pist 9 and need to change then to pist number 7. This depends always on the options you have in the moment where the draw is done. If you want to have more information, please check our log files. Here you may see how many assignments are done, at what time and in which table. And if you check the other one, you have a more detailed view. So for example, for this match, Johannes Modok was chosen, was drawn, and here you can see which referees are free with F or occupied with O, so which possibilities we have had. You also can see that the draw is randomly, not in order. So as we have now referees in all matches, you can accept, you can edit. If you select here and you want to do a change, whatever your referee commission delegate is saying, you can see which referees are possible, and just while clicking here, and then you need to enter a comment. So request of referee commission, and save it, and I have changed the referee. So again, here you can print. You can print them one by one or all, depends on how you would like to give them. I prefer to give them one by one, but this is up to you how you are organized. So afterwards you go back, you enter results, and like this you can go on. If you go under printout, you can do recalculate the final placement, but in general the result list is automatically done. So here you can see now you have before where we have entered results in table 128, and as you can see you have an abandon here. He will keep his place as he finished the first round, and you can see it's marked abandoned during direct elimination. Like this you can continue and finish your competition.